Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry with interest step by step. Start with active curiosity. Ask one clear question about the topic, then gather a simple experiment or demo you can try safely at home or in class. Break concepts into tiny steps, link each to a real-world example, and practice with short, focused sessions. Review by teaching someone else, and reward progress to keep motivation high. Use structured study blocks and active recall to retain more chemistry. Begin each block with a clear goal, then read a short passage and summarize aloud in your own words. Solve practice problems immediately, focusing on understanding steps, not memorization. Draw simple diagrams and reactions to visualize processes, label them, and connect to everyday materials. End with a quick self-quiz and note one thing you improved to guide the next session. Quick recommendation: if you find this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Also check out the products seen here. Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, link in the description. They are handy for planning chemistry lab snacks and meals between study sessions. Click the description for the link and other deals, and share your favorites in comments. Now let's get back to the video. Make labs and demonstrations engaging by predicting outcomes before you experiment. List 3 hypotheses, set safe methods, and record observations with short notes or photos. Compare predictions to results, discuss why differences occurred, and relate patterns to core principles. Use analogies like cooking or cleaning to explain reactions, and mix textbook study with videos and interactive apps. Keep a simple notebook of questions to explore in future sessions and revisit them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.